Good morning. My name is Tineke Geerlings. I'm a florist from Holland, and today I want to create something for Father's Day. For Father's Day we want to give them a very nice flower present, and you can make a very creative bouquet like this. I make a kind of frame with polygonium, and you can see that I can show you, make them a little bit shorter, the polygonium, and we have a piece of wire, and then we create the frame and the polygonium. We add them together till we have a beautiful frame like this. Very easy, and you can see it's very steady too. I want to work with the beautiful double gold palm-free lily. It's a very beautiful lily, and you have no troubles with your clothes because there are no palm on these lilies. So the only thing that I have to do is have beautiful lilies. I strip the leaves a little bit from the stem, and then I add the lily in the frame like this, and I want to support them a little bit with a piece of wire. So, for example, like this. So, and another one. I make different kind of levels with the flowers. It's coming here, and I like to add this one here in this place. And you see I add them also on the frame. Okay, now I understood that the yellow lily is a very important color in Japan, especially for Father's Day, so that's why I work with this beautiful palm-free. So now I have to turn them a little bit here, and I need one lily on this side. And you see I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lilies, and you see you have a really big, beautiful arrangement. And I want to finish it with this very nice flower. It's an and you see with the marimoko, with the marimoko, I make very nice. It gives a very nice, country feeling. You don't have to use a lot of them, but nice to work with it. A little bit for the movement now. So, and the only thing that we have to do is water it so the lilies can drink water. So I'm very happy with this beautiful lily flower arrangement, and I hope that all the fathers in Japan are very happy with this beautiful arrangement too.